Good evening, Professor Dane Miller. This is Mohammed Sheiko from your Introduction to Engineering 1315 DO1010 distance class. And in this third video, I will be sharing with you my progress as far as the double pulley system project is concerned, and what I have thought about things so far, what I have been doing as far as this project is concerned. And to start this video off, I want to kind of sort of start where I left off in the previous video, because I feel like that's going to sort of pave the way for me to talk to you about what my progress has been. So where I left off in the previous video, I'm sure I showed you the sort of the free body diagram, or the diagram, which hopefully you can see in this video, the diagram that I made, which I hopefully, once I have all the materials together, hopefully I will be able to achieve. In the video, of course, I showed you that I'm going to have the 3 rods, which I'm going to be connecting together, and that will be holding this whole system. A system that consists of 2 pulleys, 3 objects, which in the previous video I mentioned were going to be 3,000 grams, meaning one object is going to be 1,000 grams, and then obviously a measuring scale that will be showing the weight of the whole system. Now, it was kind of important for me to show you this because again, it's kind of a good thing to refresh your memory, and hopefully you can get an idea, a better idea of what from the diagram wise, what my project is going to be looking like. Now, as far as getting these materials together, what I have so far in my possession are these 2 pulleys right here that I've already purchased from a hardware store, and these pulleys right here I feel like were the best for this project, and that were making sense to me. They're really light, and I felt like they'll be able to hold the objects that I have that I plan on taking. Following with that, I also bought this rope that will be obviously going over these 2 pulleys, and will be supporting the objects in order for them to stay. And these 2 things so far. So as far as the project is concerned, these are the 3 materials that I have with me so far. The other 3 things that is the rods, the scale, and obviously the object. Now I only went to one hardware store, and I was able to find objects and a rod. As far as the scaling is concerned, I've already purchased this material online. That was 2 days ago, and the estimated delivery that's gonna allow me to have this material in my possession is probably gonna be in 2 or 3 days. That's the estimated delivery. So hopefully in the coming days I'll have this. I'll have the scale with me. As far as the rods and the objects is concerned, the store that I went to had objects, but they weren't going well with what my idea was. So I was still kind of looking, and I felt like maybe I did find some materials that I felt like could go with it, but I think tomorrow hopefully I'll be going to a different hardware store, and we'll be looking for the objects and obviously the rods. So hopefully tomorrow I can find these, and in the next video I'll be able to, I for sure will have all these materials together so that I can start constructing and show you practically of what I'm trying to make, and hopefully that'll help me make this project successful. So yes, that's where I'm at so far as this